Hey guys, quick update on the workshop. We've got all the doors up, big ones, sheeted up the front. We're just starting on the side now. Should have that done, and the back and the other side hopefully done tomorrow. And stepping in, we've got a little bit of a living area just to suit us until we get our house built. But kitchen, lounge room here, a TV up on this wall, bathroom, we'll just have a toilet, shower and vanity, and then just a decent bedroom, well not decent but reasonable enough for us, and a small one for our daughter. A couch and stuff here. We're going to have a viewing window through here, just from in the dining area here. You'll be able to see the workshop and see what's going on. And you jump through the doorway into here. Got a hoist going back here, so we can have 2 cars there. And then for now there'll be another car space here. And then this one here, we'll probably only have 1 car in here for a while, because that's what I'll be working on. And I'm going to set up all of our tools all the way around to there. A workbench over the back, all the metal shaping tools down here. We do have a power hammer coming, so that's going to go right dead center. That's going to be my pride of place. Welding table this side, and then over this side here we've actually got a plasma table, a CNC plasma machine, so we can start making our own suspension bits and whatever else I need to make, as well as my partner doing her little bits that she wants to do. And then down the side here we've left 3 meters. We're going to concrete down here, and that's going to be storage for the crappy cars that I don't care about at the moment. We're going to concrete out the front here with a wash down bay and everything into the driveway over there. Where the bus is at the moment, there's going to be a 4 meter lean-to that will put some toys and stuff in as well. And along the back here, along that back wall on the outside, we're going to put some racks. That'll be where scrap metal lengths and things go. I'll also have a metal pile inside as well, but this will give me plenty of room to put whatever I need to put there. There, the doors are heavy. I've almost got that one ready to go. I just need to put the runners on. But yeah, this one moving and running and works well. And yeah, there'll be a mezzanine up on top of all of this too. So we're going to have a 2.4 meter mezzanine. The walls are 4.2 high, so with a 2.4 height on them, still gives us plenty of room and heaps in the middle. I'm going to make that strong enough so I can have a pallet jack up there, and we're going to run I'm going to design and make a lifting thing over here with a rail and a winch, so I don't have to actually lift anything up there. And yeah, we'll see how that ends up going. Let me know what you think so far, and stay tuned. I'll get this all finished up and we'll start moving everything in. Have a good day.